such a dirty turbo. 36,000 miles, but you do know it's dirty because it's being used. Keys go in the left and the seats pull forward. And turn that off. Why did that go down? I don't know. And that sounds hella nice. Little baby rev. Okay, we're good. Car in neutral. Yep, singing. And we are gonna try to take this. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but let's. Okay. For a very expensive car, that is quite trash from a rear view camera. I have to get out and see. I can't really tell how close. Okay, so I got a bit arm length of room there. Let's try this again. That should be just about an arm. And let's try to get okay. I wish there was a camera in front to show me how close to the front I was going. Let's see. All the way. It's all good. I think I'm very close to that guy there, it says. Okay, I think I should be able to clear now. What do you guys think? Nope. All right, we have clearance and we are out. I don't know how long my front is. I know I'm good on that side. What are you saying? Are you saying I don't have enough? Tell me more. I think I can clear that. And we are out. Says we're good there. Whoa. Feels nice. And that's it for today.